Mic test, mic test.
Mic test, mic test.
All right.
Mic test, mic test.
All right, all right, all right. I think I am on. It's been one crazy day. I'm just gonna check that I am actually live on this. Yes, we are. Okay, cool. One watching, that was actually me. Welcome back. Yesterday was exciting. 1 second.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, everybody, give me 1 second. Oh yeah. We're back. Can you hear me? Yes. Okay. It's been a crazy day. It is September 2nd, Tuesday. We're out here. Even though it's later in the day, we're still making time to take action. So that's the most important thing to do. Yes, Kayla is editing her shorts. So please go out there and watch her new shorts. It helps every bit. Let me know where you're watching from. I saw some people watching. So I know you're not watching live, but I think some people are watching. There's like 20 views. So yeah, leave a comment. Tell me who's watching because I don't know who's watching out there. But yeah, let's keep this going. I did send out kind of a referral email to our clients yesterday, and I basically taught them as an incentive, like here's an AI tip. And my AI tip yesterday was basically for prompting, make sure you look at things like adding a role, like who are you speaking from? Like, are you an accountant? Are you a lawyer? Are you a marketer? Role, what is it called? Command, like what do you want it to do? The format, and what's the other one? Context. I gotta check because now I'm so spaced out today. But let's see what I said here. AI tip. Let's see. Role, context, command, and format. So context. So like kind of give the context of what you're doing. So yep, let's go back. Let's get into share screen mode. Watch Kayla's shorts. I'm gonna make this bigger here, and we're gonna do this and blah blah blah. Roles. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Okay, today. So we checked out Nano Banana yesterday and did some image stuff, which was kind of freaky in my opinion. Let's see if we had this on here. These photos. There's me and Kayla. There's two me's, except one guy doesn't even look like me. And today I want to try maybe coding a more sophisticated game. So let's start doing that in the background. Okay, let's go. Actually, we were using Perplexity yesterday, right? So let's do that. Aims. Oh, that's not it. Aims. We'll go Perplexity. Do you remember what games we coded yesterday? Oops. Boom. Let's see. Actually, yes. Okay, great. Let's try this. I want to code a slightly more complex game. Do you have recommendations? Actually, a better version of that is saying like, give me, X number of recommendations. Oh, it's still audio to texting. So let's see. Let me stop that. Okay. Tower defense, additional ideals, okay, Fruit Ninja, really? Okay. How about Pac-Man? Okay. Can you code me a simple game of Pac-Man? So we'll run that in the background. And another thing I want to do today is, make prompt better. So I want to try this thing. Well, not try. I use this a lot. So let's see. Let me speech to text this. Whenever I write a prompt, I want it to end with a statement for a suggestion to make the prompt better for the next time I use it. What prompt affix would you recommend for this scenario? So basically, if I'm doing stuff like writing a script or I'm trying to get the news for tomorrow, some technique that I want to do is be able to always put a prompt at the end of it to make that prompt better. So let's try it. To help suggest a prompt fix, could you provide an example of a prompt you've written, the statement you've used to suggest to fix it? This will give me a better understanding of what you're trying to achieve and how I can help. Okay, so let's try it. I guess it's not enough context. So let's try this one. So I'm going to say, this is my, below is a prompt I use daily. Provide an ending that will make it better every day. So let's try that. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I'm going to do that. Make prompt better roadmap. Okay, that's a good one too. I'll do that at 10 minutes. Okay, next time to make this even better, what specific AI topic or field should I ask you to focus on? Next time to improve this, what single element of the live stream outline should I ask you to expand? Okay, I don't think next time to make this better. I don't know if it's actually doing what I want it to do. So, okay, let's see what's going on here. Oh, it already has a game Pac-Man. So from what we learned yesterday, let's do this. I'm just kind of all over the place today, as I said earlier. So bear with me, people. I'm going to copy the code for Pac-Man. I'm going to, maybe tomorrow I'll just focus on one thing, honestly. All right, I'm bringing up text edit. You cannot see my screen right now. New document. I'm saving it. Pac-Man.txt, that's fine. Save. All right. Okay. And then where is this Pac-Man? I'm going to open up as HTML. All right. Use HTML. And let's see if this opens up. Boom. Oh, that is not Pac-Man, guys. That looks horrible. Hey, how about this? Okay. I'm going to actually take a screenshot and see if we can troubleshoot it. When I ran this HTML, here is what showed up in my browser. Oh, no, not here. This is a screenshot of what showed up in my browser. Please update the code to be a functional game of Pac-Man. So let's try this. I'm going to, can I add this image somehow? Let's see, attach. Okay, that might work. Screenshot. Let's see if Perplexity understands this. And let's go back to this. This prompt is not really doing what I want it to do, which is, what is it called? But I guess that really depends on the prompting. So that's fair, I guess. Maybe I'll find a better example in the future. But in the remaining time, I do want to come up with getting better and better at prompting. So I want to see how Gemini has to recommend for that. Over the next 30 days, I want to be a master in AI prompting. Give me a 30-day roadmap in the flavor of a course that I can execute day to day to be a masterful AI prompter by the end of 30 days. All right, let's see what that says. Boom. Did this do anything? What's going on here? Blah, blah, blah. Comment. Is it because, hold on. What's going on here? This even look up for, no, useless. Okay, I'm not gonna even do this anymore right now. Let's focus on this thing. Let's focus on one thing at a time, and we'll save the more sophisticated game for tomorrow, and then make prompting better for tomorrow. We tried Pac-Man. Okay, cool. Let's try that. 9.2. Today's 9.2. All right. How are we doing here? This is an ambitious and excellent goal. Becoming a masterful AI prompter isn't just about knowing a few tricks. It's about developing a new kind of literacy, a way of thinking and communicating that leverages the strengths of these powerful models. Here's a 30-day roadmap structured like a course curriculum to take you from a curious beginner to a masterful prompter. Each day includes a lecture, the concept to learn, lab, a practical exercise, and a project, a real world application. Awesome. Okay, let's see what day 1, 2. This is actually interesting, kind of. How do I get rid of this? All right. What's up? All right, we're going to. Okay, cool. All right, so let's take a look at this. Week 1, the foundations. Focus. Okay, understanding the basics and building a solid habit. Lecture. Understand the 4 core pillars of prompting: persona, context, task, and format. Yep, as we mentioned that before. Learn why each element is crucial for a great output. Lab. Write a prompt for a simple task. Write a limerick about a dog, then write it adding a persona. You are a grumpy old poet. Context, blah, blah, blah. Use this framework to generate 3 different versions of an email for a core. Okay, cool. The art of specificity. I like that. Role-based prompting. Yes. Output control and formatting. Learn how to explicitly request. This is awesome. Okay. Iteration. Okay, so okay, so let me try this so I don't forget. Can you remember this 30-day roadmap so that every day I can ask the next step and make day 1 September 3rd? Let's see if that does anything. Okay, I'll remember that. You can always ask me to forget things or manage what I've saved for you on the saved room. I look forward to helping you with the 30. Okay. So let me try this for tomorrow and try it. New chat. So I have to remember to do that. 30. I'm going to call this 30-day AI prompting roadmap. Do you remember my 30-day AI prompting roadmap? Okay, awesome. Okay. What is my step for today? Let's see if he'll know. It's supposed to be for tomorrow. So since it was yesterday, September 3rd. Okay. Okay, it kind of knows. So okay, so we'll try this every day actually and see how that goes, because 1% every day. All right, kind of a little disorganized time today, but thanks for watching. Watch Kayla's shorts, like, subscribe. We'll see you tomorrow. I'm tired. The light sucks, and yeah, see you tomorrow.